Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get map view of Google Photos to show everywhere you've been and the photos you took there. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you have to open up your Google Photos application on your mobile phone, and you can get the map view of Google Photos only if you have turned on your location on your camera setting, and only if you have backed up your photos to the Google Photos. So make sure you have turned on the location and also backed up your photo to the Google Photos. If you want to turn on the camera location, you just need to go to your camera and then you can go to the camera setting and you can activate the camera location right here. You can select this option, location tags, and you can click on this toggle button to activate it. And make sure you have turned on the backup on your Google Photos so you will get the map view of your Google Photos. Okay, and I'm going to go to my Google Photos and then I'm going to go to the collections. Okay, and in this collection, we need to go to the places. And here we'll be able to get our map view of our Google Photos. You can go to your map. Okay, and these are the places I have visited and the photos I took there. You will get the compilation right here, guys. You can zoom in or zoom out to view the places you visited. And I'm going to check it one by one. We can tap on the location with the color like this, and you will be able to get the list of the photos you took there right here. You will be able to get the date as well. Okay, and then I'm going to check this place, guys, and see the photos I took there. Okay, this is the photos I took in this place. Okay, that's easy, right? You just need to view your map on the Google Photos and you will get this type of this information. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get map view of Google Photos to show everywhere we've been and the photos we took there. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!